Ronak, can you hear me? But we can't hear you.
Yes.
He's speaking, but there is some issue with this connectivity.
Okay.
Hello. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know why my Bluetooth is not working. Okay. So I wanted to create a new project for GSPA,
Okay.
and I clicked on new projects.
Okay.
Can you please click on?
Do you want to create?
Yes.
Okay.
So then I clicked on blank project.
Yeah, correct.
Now the title should be maintenance, I think, like, right? Maintenance
No, we can keep it like GSP.
GSPA. Okay. And what will be the group name?
That is our own comfort we can create, but that is not needed. If
Okay.
you
Then
if you
what
want,
will be
you
the
can.
client name? See, I saw Fusion Tech, so I thought this group name is the client name.
Yeah. See, I created the group name uh, for Fusion Tech. If you want, you can create a group. That's not a problem because
Okay.
anyway, GSBA or some of the projects going through IND. If you want, create. This is a custom name only. Okay. Uh, Maybe what we can do. So all the invoice goes to Andy or different company, right? We are sending invoice different companies,
Correct.
GSBA and also e-boards are different, early
Right.
birds. So if you want to keep any group, you can create. That's our own purpose. Kind
Okay.
of we can categorize. That is a category.
Hmm.
So it's not about client. Client,
Okay. So let's consider there are multiple. Let's say there are two projects under GSBA. Then
hmm,
how we can create that?
can you come? What is the project?
Let's say one is for website, the other
Hmm.
is one for the app. So how will we create?
Create two project. That is what we have decided. So each
So we'll
project we yeah
yeah, please.
each project we need to create. So there is no no combine for project.
So
There
only we are focusing on project title, not like Teamworks hierarchy, project title, then the company name or client name, and also multiple task list.
that is
No
also there.
hierarchy.
That is also there. I will show you. That is also there like teamwork. I will show you. In terms of project title is keep it simple like GSP WordPress, GSP mobile
Okay.
app. Okay.
Okay.
So or what we can do, what we originally it is not a maintenance project, it is a fixed project. So whatever we are getting fixed project, it's that time only we need to create a project. For example, 1200 we got some new task, new project under GSBA hub mobile app. We can able to create a project GSBA mobile app, something you can add description in this area.
And what about the maintenance projects?
Maintenance we can keep it. Maintenance we can create a title like for example web projects, McGraw-Hill web projects. That is a maintenance project. So it is
Okay.
a recurring kind of recurring. We can create a task list, and then we can create a task every month. We can add the task list, or we can update the time log under the project. It is a maintenance. What in terms of that, what we can do here, we can create a maintenance fixed, that we can do here. Is that okay? We can do that.
Can you show me an example? Can you create a maintenance project for GSBA?
Yeah, I will show you. Okay. So So if we have maintenance, is that a maintenance project? That's what I would like to understand.
Pardon? Sorry, I couldn't hear you properly due to Bluetooth issue.
No problem, no problem. Is that a maintenance project, TSBL, WordPress?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, what we can do, we
Hmm.
can, sorry, not this one. We can create a group name maintenance, okay?
Okay.
Likewise, we can create a fixed.
Okay.
So for now, we can have fixed and maintenance. We can remove the fusion text that is not needed. Uh, so we can have one more project that we can add later. So fixed and maintenance, okay, keep it simple. So in terms of WordPress, it is a maintenance project. So owner is Ronak, no template for now. But we are planning to introduce a lot of templates, process automation later. But now
Right.
we can start with simple. Don't make it complicated. Um, so we are starting today. Okay, it's a maintenance project, right?
Right.
So there is no end date. Maybe for what we can do, we can set till next financial year end. Okay, clear? 4 to 15. This is not a strict project again. So you can enter later the description. Okay, if required.
1st April to last date of March, right?
Yeah, I
31st
I
March.
added one financial year.
Hmm. But you added April,
uh, that needs to be changed to March, right?
March.
Thank you.
Okay.
That's it. So
And what if we click on the strict? What is that?
it is
Make this a
kind of
strict.
stick means a lot of process we need to follow kind of thing. I think we gone through in a project management training.
Zoho?
If you see, yeah, yeah, not not Zoho. See,
Ah,
the project management is a system, right? We learned a lot of things, lot of technical terms, EVM. We learn a lot of things, right? Lot of technical terms. Which so based on that, the teamwork also they built tool. It is a tool. Jogo also project management tool. They will provide a lot of option to follow like a stick project or no, it is a flexible project and all. See, if you see here, when you see the icon, they will provide all the information. What is tick? Task issues, milestone, etc. cannot start and outside the scheduled dates. Or
oh,
it is a
okay,
stick.
okay.
But so when you give a start date and date, you can't start after that. You
Hmm.
can't. End. So that is kind of anyway that needed, but not now. This is a flexible project because of
Okay.
maintenance. Okay. So layout also standard maintenance tag if you want further you want to tag like technology or something we can do that. It's optional only, but I'm providing something. So budget type is it's based on the hours, right?
Hours.
So what is the hourly cost? 25.
25.
That's it. Based on the project hours. Or
So project budget
there is no
is not defined, but rate
rate
per
per
hour
hours.
will be 25.
This is not needed, right?
Yes.
So
So
here,
based
here what we can do like 160 hours. See, regular maintenance, what we are doing, 160. Okay.
okay.
So we can keep it or remove it. That's not a problem. Okay. So this is needed. Here we need finance. For all the projects, finance and expenses needed.
Okay.
Okay. Other things, it's up to you. If you want to create a forum to communicate between team, that we can create pages also. If it is a product or something, we are looking like we are expecting to have a lot of content that needs to be provide a KT to all the team members. That kind of project we can enable pages, forums.
Right.
Okay. So here I'm keep it enable finance and expense. So this is compulsory, mandatory for us. We should enable all the we should enable finance and expense for all the projects.
So, like Teamworks, we are not creating company, right?
Here also creating, and that's what I will show it to you.
Okay.
That part I have done already. Okay,
So, where
so
is for GSBA?
I'll show you. I'll show you.
Okay.
So this is the project creation area. So here only they focus on start date, end date, and overall project owner, what is the cost, etc., etc. Okay, so that's it. We can keep it always private if you want. If any project want to share with other team members who are all not part of the project, then you can make it as a public. Okay, otherwise keep it private.
Sure.
Anyway, for us, we can keep it public or private, both are same.
Same.
But for now, I'm keep it like private. That's it.
Okay.
So after that, what do you need to do in terms of assigning client? That is different. Um, I think there are multiple ways, but I know this one. When you click on the finance tab, you
Okay.
can. That's where we need to assign the client.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So here you can search. Maybe yeah, I have created. So primary client. Once you set the primary client, then only you can create the invoice.
Okay. Got it.
Because of that, only they. I don't know where they provide option to add a client, but I found here. Okay, once
Okay.
we use the project tool, maybe you'll find other places also.
Right. Right.
Yeah, for now here's area assign the clients.
And all details are editable, right?
All the
All details are editable even after creating this project and everything.
that's what we tried to create edit client information, but I can't do that. So just before that we tried no for Govind project. Anyway, let's see. Definitely it should be there, but we'll find out. We'll find out.
Okay.
So once we add the primary client, what will happen? Automatically syncing with Zoho Finance. Zoho Finance is nothing but Zoho Books. That is another software we are going to use for invoice. Not we, actually finance team. We are not part of it. We don't have any access, but automatically it will sync. Once we create a project, everything created under Zoho Books also automatically. So once you create an invoice, that is also created there. Okay, I will show you. But unfortunately, now I can't show that step. So once you set the primary client, we can able to create an invoice.
Okay.
Okay, based on the um, type of invoice, we can choose that. Once we still, I didn't get any. I'm waiting for client information like address, everything. I am waiting for it. Once we update, maybe we can start creating invoice and save it. Not also we can able to send the invoice. Okay, here we also able to send the invoice directly to the client
Okay.
without finance team.
But Ramesh, what I'm seeing is
Hmm.
in the item description, it shows project description.
Hmm.
But for
Also,
project description, what we add is
hmm.
like huge detail, right? So we can't include everything in
You
invoice.
can add it here. You can type it if you want.
Oh,
That's not a problem. Okay. So there initially they pull those information. If you want, we can keep it. Otherwise, we can. That's what I'm saying. Even if it is a new fixed project, it may be a small project. We need to create a project. So hereafter,
hmm,
don't no look for the project. Create a task. No,
hmm,
not. Don't follow that. Okay.
hmm.
If it is a maintenance, then that's fine. But if not like a maintenance, we should create a fixed project. But GSBA and early board and all, it's a kind of confused type of project. It's not a maintenance.
Right.
We are treating like a maintenance. There is no assurance, right? Every month we can't say 50 hours they will provide. No, we can't say.
But in this GSB and early bird, we only get a project for a day. So if I'm creating every time client comes with a requirement, if I'm creating a new project, it will be like loads of projects. So
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That kind of project, we keep it as a maintenance.
hmm,
But in terms of invoice, we can combine multiple tasks. That options are everything is there here. Okay, you don't bother about that.
okay,
So what you can do, for example, I'm saying what we can do. So today is the first day of the month, right? So you can create a task list kind of April,
April,
April tasks or something, whatever works for you, you can provide. Just
right?
add it. That's it. So you can, when whatever receiving any new request or existing changes, whatever it is, you can add fresh task under the April task. No, don't go for previous
No,
month or
no, yeah,
something.
yeah, that's what I follow. Correct. Yeah,
Correct? You can do that. All of them
yes.
can do that. So by end of month, what you can do, you can create an invoice based on the this task list. That's
Tasks,
it.
yes.
So
Got it.
once you create the invoice by, so what we can do for all the maintenance project, we can create a invoice by end of month.
Hmm.
Okay. So whatever we are preparing Excel sheet, that same thing we need to do. Instead of preparing sheet, we can create an invoice.
Okay,
That's it.
sure.
So after we all create an invoice, we can generate the report based on the invoice, based on the project for the month. We can see invoice value, is that ready or not. That report is already there. I will show you later, not today. We can see that. We can use the report for month and time sheet. Okay, that is for maintenance. See,
Okay.
hereafter we no need to wait for fixed project by month, sorry, end of month or something like that. When a fixed project is different story. Whenever we
Yeah,
use the fixed project, right away we can send the invoice. We can generate the invoice. We can save the invoice. We can inform to finance team. They will send the invoice right away. That's it. But in terms of revenue, if you want to, maybe if you want to project whatever we work for the month, we can show that. But for the invoice purposing, we can show only the maintenance part. That's it.
sure.
Okay, is that clear
Yeah,
so far?
yes.
Any other doubt from Ronak?
Not yet. Let me try. Let me just explore. So maybe then I will have some.
Sure. So all of them, if you want to create a new group, let me know. So we all discuss and we can start with meaningful. Okay, then only maybe what I suggest is we can go with the empty, but no need to create something different, or we all needs to be maintain some consistent tagging, group name. Then only we all know what it is, what exactly, what is the meaning of tag, why we are having group name, that and all. Okay, no, don't create anything for now. If you want to discuss, we can have a discuss. We all decide, and then we will create some meaningful things. Okay, for a starting purpose. So I don't want to mess with like a teamwork. See, when you see teamwork, lot of tags are there. So, but category name, everything is lot of information which we are not using actually. So we can start with simple. Slowly we can add automation and everything. I'll maybe I will introduce more automation. Already I have created something, but based on your requirement, we can create automation. Okay. Here we have automation. Powerful automation is there. Blueprint is there. For example, what we are doing once we complete the development work, we are manually communicating QA team and informing QA team the development is completed. You can start the QA. The QA is completed, and then we can. Uh, Ronak is left. So for those use cases, we can create automation. So it will automatically, the task will move to the next team. Like when the development is completed, that automatically that will go to next level of wherever you want to place, like QA or review or whatever it is. So we can do a number of automation in Zoho. Okay. Um, Maybe we can leverage technology on the automation. We can save our time. Even percentage. See, if you see here, we can set a percentage, so we can able to see the percentage of completion and pending work, pending percentages. So maybe slowly we can add those, information and features. We can use that. But for now, create a project and create a task list. Then we can go further. Okay, upcoming days. So for the fixed project, what I'm expecting, we should have definitely milestone. All the fixed project, like for example, CJC, we have a lot of task involved, development, design, or QA or deployment, whatever it is. It could be anything. So we should have some milestone. Uh, Definitely that and all mandatory for upcoming days. Then only we can track it easily. Uh, we can monitor the project every day. Uh, that will help us. So not like teamwork, we should have some proper meaningful reports we can generate here. Using those reports, monitor the activity, take the decision, and then we can work towards the project deliverable. So maybe so far we have used a lot of Excel. Maybe after Zoho project, we need to cut down all those, external documents. We can use it here. Instead of Excel report, we can have it all the reports here. By then only we can make all the reports meaningful, make all the you know updates real time. Okay, that is the uh, ultimate agenda, ultimate aim for we migrated here. Mainly automation and to fill the coming gap between finance and project team. That's a primary agenda. After that, we can, once we explore all the features, we all have freedom to play whatever works for you. Whatever you feel that you can create automation. Wherever you're spending time, you can find out where you spend most of the time. Then we can plan for the automation. Okay. Okay. Yes, Jagdishan, do you have any questions?
No, Ramesh, now I'm clear on that. So you explained about creating that one. So now I'm okay with it.
So for you also create a CJCC. Already I have created, or I don't know, you are the one created.
No, this I have created, Ramesh.
You
Actually,
created,
I
right?
need to add the costing things. Yeah.
Hmm. So you need to create all the tasks.
Hmm.
Need to check. After creating a project, how to edit the hours, clients.
You're saying something, Govind? Sorry. Didn't hear you.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. How to edit the projects like hours, clients. So once the project is created,
Now it's clear, or still you have any query?
the option is not available. I think
For what?
editing the project details like
Yeah,
our.
that we will find out. So here, let's see. For Jagdishan, I'm showing this one.
Okay.
I have created this project like AI chatbot. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Actually, we had a call. Me and Ken and the basis last Friday, I think. Yeah, last Friday. So what we have decided, um, on the deployment side, the basis will going to take care of that. Development, Jnanesh. UI development and integration from our side.
Hmm.
So the bus is committed 2 weeks. April 14 will be ready first product. So
Hmm.
here we have a challenges. We didn't find. So again, I need the help from Govind in terms of UI development and integration. For integration, Jagdish and I need your support. What are the
Hmm.
integration methodology there another company are providing? Maybe that is a reference, but that is not required. But we need to find out how we are going to integrate.
Hmm.
Also, we
Correct.
need to start development, UI development. So, for example, if you need any resource support, we need to hire. So that is a different story. So we can discuss separately, Jagdishan and with Govind. So what I am trying to give a in terms of Zoho project, here I have created 3 task list. Okay, under that we need to create a task. In terms of deployment, Jnanesh will create a, Dibasis needs to be created task. What are the activity that needs to be conducted under deployment? Also
Hmm.
development, also UI development. Add the task and we can track that, mark it as a completed, then everything we need to do. For 2 weeks, we need to plan all those.
Hmm.
Why I am saying this,
Sure.
we need to ensure that create a task. I
Okay.
have created a task list. If you see here, all the task list are, but we need
We
to
need to
create
create the subtask inside this
yes,
each task.
yes. Based on the, maybe you can refer this spreadsheet.
Yeah, I have that sheet.
Also, you need to
Schedule
check
plan.
it with them, update the timeline. Because
Okay.
in the call, what they mentioned, they can do it in 2 weeks
Hmm.
for all. So for now, we are holding that admin backend and all. Simply, we are looking for simple product for a chat. That's it. That's it. So what I'm trying to say here, we need to connect with the appropriate team. We need to create a task under those task list. Okay.
Sure, Ramesh. I will
We
connect
can
with.
have a separate discussion for this product. But what I'm trying to say is the task list and project is created here. Okay. Let's come back to Govind project. Govind, so this is, what is that? Where is that? Yeah, this one you created now, today.
Yes, I get.
This is task. You created task or task list. Task.
The task list I created, email template.
Okay. You need to create 5 tasks, 5 emails,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Mm. See, you missed that, no, maybe finance tab here. That's what finance is not coming.
Mm.
When you edit a project, you may see other options.
Not.
No? Okay. But how come show 1,200?
Ramesh, for editing, I
I
think
did.
you need to enable from admin level, Ramesh.
I think I am admin.
Yeah, so you have the access, right, to set up the project.
I think so.
Yeah, then you should, I think you need to
No,
do it at the
everyone should,
back end.
everyone as a project manager, you can able to manage everything under project, not like teamwork. So what I have done, you all project managers, your role is manager. I have assigned as a manager role. Okay, so
Hmm.
you all have all the access for the project. Okay,
Okay.
I don't know what other features you not available, but I don't know. But definitely you can create a project. You can play all the options under the project. We will check it. We will check it out. That's not a problem.
So, Govind, you are asking about editing the project details, right?
Yes, in case of that finance tab is missed, and in case of editing the budget, that's what I'm asking.
Okay.
So this is fixed. I'm changing this to fixed. Okay.
Okay.
I can see an edit option, but it is showing only the project details. Editing the project I mean, the name and things and all.
Yeah, definitely they will provide somewhere. You'll find it. So whatever I'm changing here, it will update automatically. So here they have option enable. You can enable here.
Okay, maybe that option not visible to me.
For you,
Yes.
this one.
Yes.
But
After while
you
editing the project.
when you create, you can able to.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So that's what. Be careful when you create a project. You can. See, this is for portal users. Okay. Existing, upcoming. I'll choose this one. Maybe all the existing projects upcoming, you can see finance. What else we are looking for here?
And here it is fine. And then for NPP Padot, I renamed it, right? So we need to update the budget there.
So the Prometric also we know time, right? We share the date. So please update the date also.
Sure.
Okay. Due date is very important. I am not sure you are aware of that or not. This one, completion time. We provided in a proposal. I think April 4, I don't know, April 4 only. Okay. So
I have not seen
for
that.
now, I am updating this one. Maybe we can do that. Okay. We can go back to NPP Padat, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you can try to create a project, Ronak. If you want, you can try now.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yeah, so I tried to edit the project. I edited the name. I am seeing, trying to export.
Great. This is about organizing tabs. Govind, can you able to see organized tabs from you, or only you are seeing issues and users?
Let me check.
And do we have mobile app for this?
Sorry?
Zoho? Do we have mobile app also for this?
That's a good question. But we
I
don't
can
have.
I can see that organized tab. Under that I'm not seeing that finance that you are accessing.
Hmm. This is for pin folder. Okay. So this is so time log also you can able to update, right? That is done. That is fixed by Harshada, right?
Not again tried. It is not working for me.
So can we try it anyone here? Where do you want to? Maybe we
On
can
web projects.
test for it. We can do. I don't know whether every task is there. I don't know. We can create a task.
So documents is the notebook, right? Here.
I think so. Correct. It is like yeah. Our
Creating folder.
notebook is notebook.
Documents is a like a Word document, share, PowerPoint like that. It's not like a notebook.
Hmm.
So for notebooks, what we can use? Similar to notebooks.
You can use that document named.
We,
That is Zogo Word something.
Yeah, we can use the document. I think. Already you have created, right?
Yes, I did.
What is that? How do I access this one?
From the project under
Hmm.
documents.
So it is similar to teamwork notebook.
Yes, it's kind of not like a notebook. It's a Word document they providing, and we can use that Word document.
Yeah,
That's
that's
it.
what I'm saying. We can
Mm.
have a credential, right? Like
Yes.
teamwork notebook.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me open that Zoho migration plan. First let me just the time log. Okay. User creation is completed. Please refer this. Okay.
Ramesh, regarding user creation, three freelancers not get that invite.
Sorry, come again.
Three freelancers not got the invite of Zogo project.
We didn't create. Did you share it with me?
Not. I shared with Ashada and she asked it to
Yeah,
send
yeah.
to you.
but I didn't get that. Maybe we can.
Okay.
I will create it. Okay, I will create it.
Okay.
Once I get the sheet, I will create it. Okay. Otherwise, you can share the list with me also. So once you're done, you can mark this like Govind hyphen completed or something. Whatever it is here. Here also backup also required for all the project backup, existing project. Maybe you can mention the project name for the backup. If you miss anything, we will do that from our side. Okay. So for what we can do, I will create one more column here. This here what we can do, everyone. For example, for me, I have took the backup for Billion Apps project and MPP mobile app. So what are the project? What are all the projects you took the backup for notebook? Please mention it here. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you miss anything, we will ensure that take all the backup. Okay. So in terms of project, I showed how to take a backup, right? Is that clear or?
Yes, clear.
So what do you need to do? You can go to project, everything. You can export timesheet for all
Anytime.
anytime. Okay, anytime and export, save it as a Excel sheet and move it in this drive. And after that, you can mark it here. So again, for example, here also you can mark it like GSBA is done. Whatever the project you took the backup, you can mention the project name. So I'm just provide the sample. Don't skip that if I mark it here. Okay. So just I'm providing sample. Okay. Is that clear?
Sure.
Same format for this one also for process. If you want to take a backup for any process. Otherwise, just focus on this. Let me know once done. Who are all done? Keep me posted in a mentoring channel. So once we all done for the backup and the project creation, we can wind up the teamwork. Once review together, and then we can wind up. We can start initiating for removing the teamwork. Okay. That is one thing I want to say. Is that clear? Any questions?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Let's check this about time log. So this is where I need to go. Time log. Add time log. So what you are trying to do, Govind?
Start and end. Yeah. That something 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday.
Added for me. Maybe you can check it. Okay. Can you check it now?
Yeah. I will.
Yeah. Ronak, can you able to create a project?
Yeah, Ramesh.
Yeah, Ramesh, it is working fine.
Okay. Yeah, it is related to time zone. We change time zone, I think.
And then again tried, it is not working for me.
Maybe that will take some time.
Hmm.
So after you create anything, you can sync. This is about sync with the Zoho invoice system. Okay. If you do any changes, maybe they are saying like not showing in the book, maybe you can do sync here.
Yeah, how to edit the budget.
Only thing I'm looking for changing the client, but I saw somewhere. This is expense. So likewise, we can create an expense. Right now we are having Excel sheet for resource spending. Here we can create expense, freelancer cost or something.
$72 we are spending for email asset tool monthly.
Every month, right?
Oh,
See here the customer name. That's what I want to see. So that we need to mention that what type of uh, the expense are, but we need to go through that. Where is that kind of freelancer cost or vendor? Here there is a vendor option. ABC. So again we need to add the vendor, like how they are doing finance team. They are sharing the invoice, right? Any whoever having freelancer like Nimish or Nikhil. So what we can do, once we get the invoice, we can add it here and then add the details, vendor name, everything. We can save it. So when we this also reflect on the finance side, like invoice. So once we update all the information, we can see the revenue of the project clearly. Okay, Govind, let me find out to change the customer name and then I will keep you posted. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, let me know.
yeah, and also the budget. Also the
Budget,
budget.
budget. Budget means here's the budget, but it is not showing, nothing is showing because you didn't, um, did you set anything budget when you create this one?
Uh,
Maybe, hmm.
no, I just renamed this project.
Oh,
And it's already set. You said it is created for Prometric.
so now you are planning to use this for
NPP.
NPP. Okay. So I'll mark it as a maintenance project.
Hmm.
Actually, it's supposed to show here. In this tab, only budget will show, but I don't know what needs to be changed. Let me find out. So one thing is budget. Another one is customer. So here I have Not here, this one, here, correct?
Yes.
So here we can, do you have option to, I mean, do you have any option to see the setting like me? Definitely you have a something, right? In this area.
From where you navigated?
See here, here. Do you have this one for you?
Yeah.
You have, right?
Yes, I had.
So when you click on what are the options you can see? All like this,
This is and something limited.
limited.
Let me check. And then where you navigated?
Regarding that, which one you are asking?
Uh,
That I think you can't access. I think manage users.
okay.
That is the
So
area we can add the
I
client.
had a notification, project configuration, customization,
Hmm.
task automation, issue
Hmm.
tracker, developer space,
Hmm.
data administration, manage users.
Manager user also there.
Yes.
Then you all can see this area, this access, I think.
Manage users under only resources I had,
Oh,
other
resources.
not.
So this is where we need to add resource. I think so, but I am not very sure. Even for me, I don't have options. Maybe what we can do in terms of, I need to find out how to create the collaborate user. But when I buy this, I saw that we can have 5 users, not portal user. See, the portal user nothing but a paid user. Whenever we are, so all are who are all in-house, they are all portal users. I don't know how the three freelancers are they are collaborator or
Collaborate.
collaborator in team or collaborator, right?
Yes.
But I need to find that. Is that any possible? Is there that I need to check? Anyway, okay, I'll find out. So only thing is pending here is updating the customer name, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'll find out. So are we good in migration plan? Any queries for this? Everything is clear, right?
So migration plan, if you are talking about notebook means we can download each notebook as a PDF. That option available. Otherwise, we can manually copy paste into the Zoho document.
Uh,
So that is the option. Any
yeah,
other?
whichever option is works for us. But for what we can do for active projects, we can update, copy and paste.
Hmm.
For old projects, archive project, we can do download and upload all the things. I think for old projects not required. We are planning to take a backup, not updating in Zoho. Whenever required, we can create in Zoho. Otherwise, focus on active projects.
Okay.
Those and all only we are taking backup, not we are not anything, not we are not going to update anything in Zoho. We can keep this in a backup. Whoever wants any old credential, we can share it with them. This drive, they can get it from there. In such a way, you can organize like folder, proper folder project or something. Organize everything so easily we can get those whatever required. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
so I'll put a date for this activity. Maybe this weekend I'll do April 5th. Okay, I'll put 5. So after that, this is February. Why showing? Let me put some date, but we will work on. But this needs to be completed as soon as possible.
Ramesh, is it okay if I drop?
Yeah, we all can drop.
Okay.
Yeah, please go there. Yeah, no,
Thank you guys.
yeah,
Thanks, Ramesh.
yeah. Govind, anything you want to, maybe what we can do, we can find out how to edit the customer name. Customer name.
Customer name we did, right? Associated
Hmm.
project.
Budget only, right?
Budget only. And for the Rama Bijapurkar website project, I did not added that client name.
Hmm. That you can go ahead and add.
I think the finance tab is not showing for me.
It's there. Now you can check it.
Checking.
For me, it's showing. Anyway, I will update. Okay. Done. Done.
Loading.
Yeah, I have done. For NPP product only, you are looking for budget, right?
Yes. Ramesh, the finance tab will not show to me. It's not a generic or it's restricted.
Let me check. Let me check.
Because I'm seeing Rama Bijapurkar website. Under that organized tab, I'm not seeing that finance.
For any other project you are seeing finance?
Not seeing that.
No, right? You can't see anything, right?
Yeah, I'm not getting it.
Okay, I will check budget and finance. Okay, both are same.
Mm.
Let me check. Okay, I will check and post you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good.
Fine.
Yeah, thanks.